We will guide you through how to connect Google Sheet to Zapier. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. Type Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome browser on your device, input Zapier in the URL bar, and press Enter to search for the platform. Select the official website for Zapier from the search results. Verify that you're already signed into your Zapier account before continuing with the setup. Hover your cursor to the left side of the Zapier interface to access the navigation options. Select App Connections to manage the applications linked to your Zapier account. On the App Connections page, tap plus Create Connection to begin adding a new application. A search field will appear, so search for Google Sheets to find the correct app. When Google Sheets appears in the results, hit Add to select it. Next, press Connect to begin linking your Google Sheets account with Zapier. A Google Sign-in or account selection window will appear, allowing you to choose the account you want to connect. Choose your Google account from the available options and make sure you select the correct account before proceeding. After selecting your account, tap Continue to move forward with the connection process. When prompted again, tap Continue again to confirm the connection and allow Zapier to complete the setup. Wait briefly while Zapier processes your request and establishes the connection between your selected Google account and Google Sheets. Once the connection is completed successfully, your Google Sheet will be added to Zapier and will appear in your App Connections list. You can now use this connected Google Sheets account when creating Zaps and setting up automated workflows.